Welcome back, Acadiana. We got Tropical Storm Barry in the Bay of Campeche, and we also have another disturbance in the northeastern Gulf around Florida, and even a 20% chance of forming over the next 7 days. So what do we know? If we can bring the screen full, we can really get to see the bottom of it. And an area of low pressure could develop later this week. So it won't be until this weekend where we'll see some type of development, but it will bring in some heavy rainfall for Florida and the southeast. But it is also a remnant frontal boundary that will be near or along the Gulf Coast. But slow tropical or subtropical development is possible off the coast once it pushes into the Atlantic. So for us, not expecting any threats coming up. We'll still have just our typical afternoon showers and thunderstorms for the rest of the week coming up. So as far as Tropical Storm Barry, right now it has the same winds, about 45 miles per hour. No threat to us. Once again, it'll actually move inland, making landfall in Mexico at least late tonight or tomorrow. And on the other side of Mexico is Tropical Storm Fosse in the eastern Pacific. Now it is likely to become at least a Category 2 hurricane either Tuesday or Wednesday coming up as it moves further towards the northwest. So for us, still pretty clear in the northern Gulf. So we already had Andrea, we got Tropical Storm Barry now, and the next name on the Atlantic hurricane list is Chantel. If we have a system here coming up, but we haven't even reached the peak of the season. It's still pretty early. We're almost a month in. But let's switch gears to the current radar. We had showers and thunderstorms through the morning into the afternoon, and right now we just got some showers right over Jennings, and that will likely fizzle out for within the next 30 minutes to an hour. But the rest of Acadiana, pretty dry right now, but most of the rainfall was scattered to widespread across Acadiana. Some areas got about 2.5, 3 inches of rainfall. Some areas had 1/10 of an inch or 1/4 of an inch of rainfall. So we had a pretty good soaking across Acadiana, but as you can tell, it wasn't completely widespread across Acadiana. We had a few dry spots here and there, especially towards Morgan City was pretty dry there. Even just a small portion of St. Landry and Acadia within the last about 6 to 12 hours. But the rain chances are still in the forecast over the next several days. Best chance of rain arriving on Tuesday, about 40 to 50% for those showers and thunderstorms. But by the end of the week, we'll actually see those rain chances trim down just a little bit, but it's not completely at zero by the time we reach the 4th of July, which is on Friday coming up. But as we time it out, staying pretty dry for the rest of tonight into early Monday. May have a few coastal showers out there, but not expecting anything widespread for that morning commute tomorrow. It's not until the afternoon where we'll have showers and thunderstorms back in the forecast, and that's all due to that moisture. The levels are a little bit lower, back to typical standards for the summertime, and that will be mostly during the afternoon for those showers and thunderstorms coming up. We also get some heavy rainfall in there at times, but we're not expecting any flooding rainfall for Monday or Tuesday coming up. But once we lose that daytime heating, staying pretty dry Monday night into early Tuesday. And then for Tuesday, we do it all again. We got a trough off towards the east, so they can get us some showers and thunderstorms back in the afternoon again, starting to dry out by the evening hours. So to recap those conditions for tonight, may have a few lingering showers through the evening. Otherwise, mostly cloudy, muggy, and warm for tonight in the 70s. And then for tomorrow, we do it all again with off and on showers, mostly during the afternoon. So to break down that 10-day forecast, rain chances are pretty elevated over the next several days. Temperatures, though, will slowly rise back into the low 90s coming up, with overnight temperatures mostly in the 70s. Stay tuned. We'll have another look at this 10-day forecast coming up.